In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in Xero. In Xero, deleting a contact is handled by archiving it, which safely removes the contact from your active lists while keeping your historical records intact. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few helpful tips so you know what to expect along the way. First, open Xero and head to your organization's dashboard. From the main navigation, click on Contacts. This takes you to the area where all your customer and supplier records live. To see everything in one place, choose All Contacts. This view is helpful because it shows your full list, making it easy to find the contact you're ready to remove from day-to-day use. Next, select the contact you want to archive. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to narrow it down by name. Take a second to confirm you've got the right one. Checking the contact's details now helps avoid archiving the wrong record, especially if you have similar names in your system. With the contact highlighted, look to the right side of the row for the three dots, also known as the More or Overflow menu. Click those three dots to open the options for that specific contact. From the menu that appears, choose Archive. In Xero, archiving is the recommended way to delete because it removes the contact from active use without erasing historical invoices, bills, or reports. A confirmation window titled Archive Contact will appear. This dialog is there to make sure you understand the change you're about to make. Review the message so you're clear that the contact will no longer appear in your active contact list and can't be used on new transactions while archived. When you're ready, click Archive to finalize. That's it. The contact is now archived. You'll no longer see it in your active list and it won't be available when creating new invoices or bills. Any past activity linked to that contact remains safely in your reports and transaction history, preserving your audit trail. If you notice the archive option is unavailable, it can be due to outstanding transactions or limited user permissions. In that case, check with your organization's administrator or clear any pending items first. A quick tip before we wrap up. Archiving is a clean, low-risk way to keep your contact list tidy while maintaining complete historical data. It's perfect for contacts you no longer work with but still need to reference in reports. And that's how to delete by archiving a contact in Xero, quickly and confidently.